Hi, this is Dr. Adam Hein with Gonstead Physical Medicine. I want to just kind of express, we've obviously been doing 𝒅𝒄𝒐𝒎𝒑𝒓𝒄𝒃 treatments and non-surgical spinal decompression treatment for over 20 years now. The patient many times is a surgical candidate. They've been told that they need surgery or that surgery is an option for their treatment. We found that this table actually will get better and sometimes faster results than what surgery has been able to do. For the patient, most of them are going to, again, just lay down. They feel very relaxed. You're going to feel a very slight pull. Most of them, this is the best that they feel the entire day while doing the decompression. Most of the time, actually, do fall asleep as well. If you're interested in giving Gonstead Physical Medicine a try, trying out the 𝒅𝒄𝒐𝒏 9000, go ahead and contact our office. Again, my name is Dr. Adam Hein.